Cartoon Doo-Doo TV.
Hello kids! Today let's take a look at some of the famous games and sports played all over the world. So let's begin. This game is played with a racket and a shuttlecock. Which game is this? Badminton!
Oh, sensational!
This is a very popular sport all over the world. You all must be knowing for sure. Cricket!
Once again up and straight and once again whipped away downhill and once again.
All men chase one ball. What is the name of this game? Football! This game is played in an indoor stadium and all the men in teams have great heights. What is this game called? Basketball!
Quick pass, wild pass! Oh, and he trapped the sledgehammer!
This game requires a lot of strength and stamina. What is it called? Boxing! This game requires a sharp brain. Do you know the name of it? Chess! This game is played in an open field with a stick and a ball. What is the name of this game? Hockey! This game is played on a grass or a clay court. Can you guess the name of the sport? Tennis!
What's an angle? There's a ticket to the party.
This game requires your eyes to be sharp as you have to aim on the target. What is this game called? Shooting! Every kid is a fan of this sport along with their superstars. Do you know the name? Wrestling! Thank you for watching Doo-Doo TV. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon.